how are you? I am Aparna and you are watching Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you a yummy yet very easy to make and everyone's favorite tandoori chicken. It's so easy to make, but it's so delicious. Your family will love it. Do try it once and let me know how it turned out. Did you check out other lunch and dinner recipes on my channel? If not, I will leave the link in the description box below. Please do check them out. Now let's go and see how to make this delicious tandoori chicken. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make this tandoori chicken. Turmeric powder, chili powder, salt to taste, dhania powder, lime, ginger garlic paste, red food coloring, any kind of tandoori masala powder. I'm using Priya here. A bowl to mix the marinade in, a yogurt, oil, and of course chicken legs. I'm using little bit of breast meat too. One breast piece and 5 legs I'm using. So that's the quantity. I'm going to tell the measurements for. First thing we need to do is prepare the marinades. I've washed the chicken and made slits in the chicken, as you can see. I took the skin off and made the slits. Now let's make the marinade. We'll start by putting in yogurt. We'll need around 2 big teaspoons of yogurt. Just make it creamy little bit so that it will nicely mix in the marinade. Add oil to it. I'm using entire oil. It's maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm using the entire thing. Mix it in. And lime, we are going to use exactly 1 lime, half lime here. We are going to add it in. Sorry guys. Things happen and that's okay. We got to work around it. Okay. It's going to taste super juicy and super yummy. Do try it, and every last bit counts. And we are going to add our ginger garlic paste, around 1 big tablespoon, and mix it all in. Now we are going to add our powders. Chili powder, I'm adding little bit more because my family doesn't mind it. I'm adding around 2 to 3 teaspoons. Wish to alter it. If you think your family needs less, just alter it. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste. This should be enough. And dhania powder. Look how fresh this is. I made it myself. I'll share next time how to make it. I'm using around 1 teaspoon. And of course, last but not least, tandoori masala. I'm adding whole heap of teaspoon, little bit more because this gives nice taste to the tandoori chicken. Don't skimp on it. I added 2 teaspoons. Mix everything nicely. Mix it. Make sure everything is incorporated into the yogurt. And now we'll add our food color. Why are we doing this in a separate bowl instead of chicken adding in the chicken is it won't distribute equally if you do it in the chicken bowl. If you do it like this, it will distribute evenly. That's why we are doing like this. Look at that color. And now our marinade is ready to go into the chicken. So we'll just add it into the chicken. And make sure to mix it so that it's nicely absorbed into every single piece. Mix it nicely guys. You don't want any piece to be without the marinade. That's why we did it in a separate bowl. So make sure every single piece is in the marinade. Add the remaining marinade too. Every little bit counts, guys. Don't skimp on it. And there you go. That's how easy it is to prepare marinade and add it. Now you can take this tandoori chicken and grill on the hot stove. If you have outside grill, this would be a great thing to do after marinating for few hours. I would suggest like marinate it over time if you have time. That's what I'm going to do right now, and make it next day. It will taste really good. And after marinating it overnight, I'll show you how to make it. So this is the marinade. It's going to sit overnight, and tomorrow I'll show you how to make the tandoori chicken. I have lined the baking tray with aluminum foil so that nothing sticks to my chicken. So we are going to bake the chicken, as we don't have tandoor. If you have a grill, you can grill it on the grill, but I'm going to bake the chicken. So we'll preheat the oven now. While the oven is heating up, we are going to fry our chicken. Keep the heat on medium, and we are going to put 1 big teaspoon of oil in the pan. Little bit more, not deep frying, but frying it nicely. Nicely spread the oil, let it heat up, and then we'll put our chicken. Chicken has been sitting overnight. I just mixed it once more, so now it's ready to go in. Just take the chicken piece like this and put it in. Fit as many as you can fit in, and that's the key. I told you I put some breast pieces in. So let these 3 fry nicely for a minute or so, and we'll turn our chicken to the other side and fry that also, and then put it in the fridge. It's been frying for a few seconds, so let's turn it. Look at that. Little bit fried marks, that's what we are looking for. And let it fry the other side too for a few seconds. Let's turn once more and see. Beautifully fried. Give it few more seconds and it will be ready to go into the tray. We fried the chicken for 2 minutes now. Let's just drain the oil off and put it in the tray. Let me fry all the chicken and then I'll show. Look at that beautiful color. We are going to bake it exactly for 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit. So let's bake. It's been 1 hour since the chicken has been baking. So first we'll off the oven and take out the chicken. Look how beautifully it is sizzling. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's beautifully done. If you want, you can broil it for 1 or 2 minutes to get a nice color on top, but I don't want to broil it. This is perfect for us, and this will taste absolutely like the restaurant chicken with no fat in it, and it's super healthy for you. Do try it once and let me know if your family liked it or not. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching me.